Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by switching the calculator to complex mode, so operations treat numbers as a plus by. Press mode, then select CMPLX. On some Casio models, use Shift plus mode and choose complex. Once done, check the angle unit, set DEG or RAD to match your formulas. Make sure the display shows the imaginary unit I when you type numbers like 3 plus 4i. This establishes how input, polar/rectangular conversions, and functions like abs will behave through the remainder of the process. You now enter and manipulate complex numbers. Type 2 plus 3i directly for rectangular form, for polar use r theta or pol, r theta if your model supports it. Perform arithmetic with plus, times, divided by as usual, results remain complex. Use re z and im z to extract parts, conj z for conjugates and abs z for magnitude. To switch representations, apply pol z to get r theta or rec r theta to return to a plus by. This helps when solving equations or plotting vectors. You finish by tackling advanced functions and final checks. Compute exponentials with exp, a plus by, and logs with ln z. Remember, multivalued logs use principal branch so angles wrap. Adjust by adding 2π if needed. Raise to powers with zn and use solve, or matrix operations when equations include complex coefficients. If results look off, make sure you didn't mix DEG/RAD and reset to complex mode. Clearing memory or toggling angle units usually fixes sign or phase errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.